Hi there, hi everyone, welcome back with the third and last puzzle. The third and last puzzle in today's additional of Friday. Yes, it's still Friday, May the 27th, 2022, almost end of the month. Let me remind you that next week, first Friday of the month, I will do always a speed test with the heavy and the light Sudokus. So next week we have a speed test. Yeah, in this additional we have six extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve, and I've already solved the 3-star Sudoku and the binary puzzle. And now it's time for the Tectonic with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. If it's really a 4 stars. And this 4 stars tectonic will be number 4615. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 13 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one. But the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. Well, this one could be the hard one, could be an easy one, but we will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here a single box, there's single box. Single box always a 1. Dual boxes. Do we have dual boxes? I see here dual box, there dual box. It contains the 1 and the 2. Well, the 2 is here already filled in, so this box should be a 1. Here, the 1 and the 2, but I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Triple box then. Do we have triple box? Let me scan the scan. No triple boxes. Quadra boxes then. No quadra boxes in this puzzle. So the next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, we have here the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. We have here the L shape. And when you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay. This box has the same number as that box. More L shapes. Here, another one. So this box has the same number as that box. More. Yeah, this one. Another L shape. So this box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this here. This shape. Alright, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? Yeah. Rotate it. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. Mirrored or flipped. This box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? More? No. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. Okay, and then we have one shape here. Yeah. This shape. Let me draw this shape here. You see this kind of shape? Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shape? No, only one. Here, another one, but let me draw this here. I believe this is the last one. Yes. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Okay, this is connected with this box. That box is connected with this box. Okay, And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes or figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum there are 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. We have here double 1 and a double 2 there, so I cannot place a 1 or a 2 here. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 1 or any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and 2. So the other pair in this area should be the 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 1 or a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. That means that box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 4. And that box should be a 3. Okay. Alright. This box can be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. And these 3 boxes surround a 3 cannot be a 3. So here can also not be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Okay, this box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1, should be here. So here we have the 2 and the 4 are left, 2 and the 4 in this L shape, 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. This box is connected with the, oh no, 2 and the 5. Mistake, 2 and the 5. Almost make the mistake. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2 or a 5. Okay. Alright, this box can be a 1. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 2. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. This box should be a 2. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. 1 box left in this area for number 1. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. These 2 boxes can be 4. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 2 and the 1. 2 and the 1, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for the number 5. Alright. Then these 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. The other pair in this area should be the numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 5. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. This box cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this L-shaped area should be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes, and there. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes and there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. These 2 boxes can be 1, those 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. And this box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, and those 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 1 and the 2. Ah, we already have a 1 here. So it can't be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. This box is also connected with that box, should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 4 and the 5. Now we have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4, can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Then I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 2 and 5. But we already have a 2 here, so it can't be 2 anymore. This box should be a 5. And that box is connected with this box, should be also a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 2. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Told you. Should be an easy one because it's more than 10 printed digits. Because the hard ones has 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. And this one has 13 printed digits. So is this really a 4 stars? No, publisher. Because for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more. Is this a 3 stars puzzle then? No, because for a 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Is this then a 2 stars? No, because I'm faster than 50 minutes. So it's really a 1 star. 1 star puzzle. So wrong indication. Alright, thank you again for watching. If you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again. And if you like this, I've told you. Well, have a great and fantastic Friday. We will meet again tomorrow on Saturday. Yes, it's a week can't. Until then, bye bye for now.